most excited for, I think, with the edge being built out to Encircle is the consistency that it's going to create across my teams. The onboarding and training is going to be a lot faster. So like as an actual user and in the field every day, I'm so excited to create just a scalable model for my business where I can onboard PMs, I can train them and create consistency across the business and how we do it. So that's what I'm super excited for.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put it in your hands over the next couple of weeks and let you try it.
I'll try to break it.
All right, you'll have fun with it. It's you know what Tom has built from from a technology standpoint, the fundamentals are just so solid. There's always the non-believers, and then they test it, and their estimate always falls in, and this is using their best estimator, always has always fallen in our testing between the range,
Yep.
and that's pretty darn exciting.